Hello guys, today in this chapter we will learn that how to setting our drawing before we start the draw. So everybody should be know that how to be setting the drawing before start our draw. So let's go start now how to setting the drawing. So first thing we have to check our workspace. You can check the here workspace, also you can check workspace here. So see the workspace here. Now my civil 3D workspace is now there. So I want to open the drafting and annotations. See, now the drafting and annotation workspace is the open. You can see there here. First, we have to set our drawing units. So units, you give a command units for setting the units. Then this window will be appear here. If you want to work in millimeters or meters, then you use the decimals. If you want to start in architectural, then you choose the architecturals. If you're going to start the surveying, then you can choose the engineering. So I'm choosing here the decimal. And precisions, okay, 0.000, it's okay. And unit scale, instead of contents, the meter is the okay. And sample output you can see here. Here nothing you have to change. If you want to change, then you can choose the international, then okay. Before okay, here you see the angle degree minute. So I am prepare here the decimal degrees, okay, and precision is okay, no problem. And angle clockwise, okay, or anti-clockwise, as you like, you can choose here. Then say okay. So our drawing unit are already set. Now we are going to set our drawing limits. So how to we set the limit? Just you give to command lim and limits. You can see here limits already. Just click on. It's asking reset model space limit. Specify lower left corner. Lower left corner means this side, and upper right corner is this side. So this side I'm going to choose by the coordinates. You see here limit lower left corner here already given. So I'm 0, but I'm choosing here 500 and comma 500. Okay. See, it's a lower left corner already. Now it's asking to limit a upper right corner. How long area you want to work, you can choose as per you. I'm choosing here only just 2500 meters, comma 2500. Okay, then enter. Now our drawing limit has set here in 2000 by 2000 meters. Okay. Or if you want to work in the long area like a pipelines, canals, dams, then you can choose the big unit. So limit and units already we set here. Now the limit and units, what is the means of this? Just click here and go to zoom and zoom extend. Okay, then escape. Now check the ID anywhere in your drawing. You see which we given the limit, you will get on this limit. Okay. Now third thing is very important. You have to setting the geolocation. How to set the geolocation? You just click here insert. Okay. Here you can see the geolocations. If you don't see here the geolocations, then you come again back to in your home panel, okay, and write give a command geographic locations already here. Just you click once here, then it's asking set the location from the map or file. So better you choose the map, then just click here. Okay, in map I can't write here because I'm not sign up in the AutoCAD now, so I can't search the location from here, but I can choose the from the latitude and longitude. That how do you choose? Then you go to in your Google Earth browser, and here you choose your location. I'm going to choosing my location here. See, a I'm choosing these locations. Search. It's going to the same location. Okay, I choose this location here. Anyway, now you go to here this place and click once here. Okay, window will appear here, and this place mark is here. So you bring to this place mark here this place. Now you see here latitude and longitude, you can see. Just once copy from here like that, note N, copy here, or before that I'm saying just you setting in the Google Earth option. Here you see the degree decimal minute. You select here decimal degrees or universal traverse metacore UTM you can choose here. Just I'm going to choose the decimal, so no need to choose the zone. Just apply and click. Now you bring your the place mark point. Place mark point is here. We can get the now our latitude longitude in decimal. So just once select and copy and bring here notepad, open notepad and paste here, minimize, then again you choose this longitude, copy, then go to notepad again and paste it here. Okay, now we can close our Google Earth here just, and we paste here. Last is the longitude and the first is the latitude. Click OK, copy, close it, then type it, paste is here, then just once click here, then come to next. Okay, it's going on there. You should be connected on the network. Here you choose. So we have to choose our EPSG code, or maybe we have to choose by name the our area zone. So how do we find out? That's I'm telling you, go back to on Google Earth now. See, same area is open. We can see here our zone, but here we can't see because of the decimal degree is the on. So go to an option. Here you come and see the universal traverse meters. Select and apply and OK. Then you come down here. You can see your zone. See, imagery 43R. R means right, means north. 43 zone our north. So close it here. Then come to here. See the 43 UTM 43N UTM 43N WGS. This 72 43 WGS2B 62 here. 43N. You see money 43N here. So you see the UTM 84 43 and choose here the WGS, and this is the your EPSG code number. So just you click once here. Okay, then go to next. Okay, then it's asking select a point for location. So we are going to choose here. Then it's asking us specify the north direction of the angle. So we go to in 90 degree. First we have to open our active the ortho mode. then go to upper side and click anywhere in there. You see now the geolocation has appeared here. Now, if you will work in this drawing, that drawing in a real location of the earth grid. After complete your drawing, if you want to go on the Google Earth or GIS, it will be go at the correct locations. So like this in AutoCAD, we can set the geographical locations. It's very important for the draftsmen or architects or designers. In Civil 3D, it's very easy to set the geolocation. I will tell you when we will work in the Civil 3D. Okay, these things already setting. After that, you should be set here that go to in annotations. So here you have dimensions and text, leaders, and also layer panel is here. You can set layer. These four things you should be know before the start the drawing and set it the correct way. So these things I will tell you later, but already I told the how to setting the drawing and how to start the draw. So if anybody want to know about the layers and annotations panels like leaders, unit, dimensions and text styles, then I will tell you later. Thanks for watching.